Okay, so let's look at an example here. I want to write n equal to 0.99999 repeating as a rational number. Now, you may have seen arguments before about what this rational number is. So let's look at how we could use the methods from the last video to figure this out. So I have one repeating digit, so I want to multiply both sides by 10 in this case. So 10n equals 9.9 repeating. I'm going to subtract n from both sides. On the left, I'm going to be left with 9n, and on the right, my decimals cancel, and I'm left with just 9. I have 9n equals 9, and so to solve for n, we divide both sides by 9, and I'm left with 1. So 0.99999 repeating is equal to 1. Okay, our last topic in this section is ordering repeating decimals. And we're going to do this in the same way that we ordered terminating decimals. So if you have two repeating decimals that you want to compare, what you're going to do is just write out that repeating decimal as much as you need to so that you can find a place value where the two decimals differ. Okay, so here the first place that my two decimals differ was here in the 10,000ths place, and I have a 3 on top and a 2 on the bottom. So the number on top is larger. So 1.3478 repeating is larger than 1.347821. My line got shifted over here. It shouldn't start until the 7821, sorry. So no line here. Okay, what if I asked you to find a repeating not necessarily repeating, a decimal number between 0.35 repeating and 0.351 repeating. Now, I've got an extra 0 point here, so there we go. So same idea. I'm going to line them up, and I want to find the first place where they differ. So it's right here in the thousandths place. And so I can take a number between those two numbers. In this case, I've got 3 and 1, so 2 is between those. So I'm going to do 0.35 and then 2. Now, that's not the only way I could have done that. I could have looked in the next place and said, well, that's different here too. So maybe I keep the numbers the same as the bottom number and then make the fourth place after the decimal something between 3 and 5, which in this case I chose as 4. Okay. All right, so there are lots of ways to do this. You should try the homework, and again, let me know if you have any questions.